Good morning. The sun rises slowly over the snowy hills of a small village in Korea. It is winter, and everything outside is covered in a soft, white blanket of snow. The trees look like they are wearing white coats, and the air is very cold but fresh. A young boy named Jiho wakes up early. He rubs his hands together to stay warm. The heater in his small house is on, but it is still a little chilly. Jiho looks outside his window and smiles. He loves winter. Today will be a good day, he says to himself. Morning, starting the day. Jiho eats a simple breakfast of hot soup and rice with his family. The soup is warm and spicy, perfect for a cold morning. After breakfast, Jiho puts on his thick jacket, scarf, gloves, and boots. It is time to go outside. Jiho's first stop is the frozen lake near his house. Many children are already there, sliding and laughing on the ice. Jiho joins his friends to play a game of skating. He feels the cold wind on his face but doesn't care because he is having so much fun. Careful, Jiho! His friend calls out as he slips and falls, but everyone laughs together. Afternoon, exploring the village. When the sun is high in the sky, Jiho goes back home to eat lunch. His mother has made tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes. They sit together, talking and laughing as they eat. Outside, the snow begins to fall again, covering the ground with a fresh layer of white. After lunch, Jiho and his older sister go to the market in the village. The market is colorful and busy, even in winter. People are selling hot hotdog, sweet pancakes, and roasted chestnuts. Jiho buys a pancake, and the syrup inside is warm and sweet. It feels like a little piece of happiness on a cold day. Evening, warmth and stories. As the sun sets, the sky turns orange and pink. Jiho and his sister return home. His father is lighting the fireplace, and soon the whole house feels cozy and warm. Jiho sits near the fire with a cup of hot chocolate. He can feel the warmth spreading through his cold hands. The family sits together, talking and sharing stories. Jiho's grandmother tells them about winters when she was a child. She talks about how they used to make snowmen and sing songs. Jiho listens carefully, imagining her stories in his mind. Night, a peaceful end. Before bedtime, Jiho goes outside one last time. The village is quiet now. The stars are bright, and the snow sparkles under the moonlight. He takes a deep breath of the cold air and feels happy and calm. Jiho goes back inside, climbs into his warm bed, and closes his eyes. As he falls asleep, he dreams about the snow, the laughter of his friends, and the warm love of his family. Winter in Korea is cold, but it is also beautiful. It is a time for fun, family, and warmth. Even though the days are chilly, Jiho's heart is always warm. This is Jiho's story of a winter day in Korea. What is winter like where you live? Write about it and practice your English. If you enjoyed Jiho's winter day story and learned something new, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for updates, and like and share this video with your friends. Don't miss the new words and phrases from this story. Find them in the description below. Let's keep learning English together.